First aid basics for Great Dane parents, keeping your gentle giant safe and sound. Now, introduction: having a Great Dane as a pet can be an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling experience. These gentle giants bring so much joy and love into our lives. However, just like any other pet, they are prone to accidents and health emergencies. As responsible Great Dane parents, it is crucial to have a basic understanding of first aid to ensure the safety and well-being of our furry friends. In this article, we will discuss the essential first aid basics for Great Dane parents. Understanding your Great Dane's vital signs. Before diving into first aid techniques, it is essential to understand your Great Dane's normal vital signs. Monitoring your dog's pulse, respiration rate, and body temperature is crucial in identifying any abnormalities. A Great Dane's normal pulse ranges from 60 to 120 beats per minute, respiration rate varies between 18 to 34 breaths per minute, and a healthy body temperature is around 1015 to 1025 degrees Fahrenheit. Bleeding. Accidental injuries causing bleeding can happen to any pet, and Great Danes are no exception. In the case of minor cuts, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or gauze pad to stop the bleeding. It is important not to use your fingers, as they may introduce bacteria to the wound. For more severe bleeding, apply a sterile dressing and continue to apply gentle pressure. If bleeding doesn't subside or the wound is deep, seek immediate veterinary care. Fractures and limb injuries. Due to their size, Great Danes are more prone to fractures and limb injuries. If you suspect a fracture, immobilize the affected limb by using a homemade splint. This can be done by using sturdy, long objects such as a rolled-up magazine or a ruler, and securing it to the leg with tape or cloth strips. Remember to be gentle while handling your pet to avoid causing further harm, and seek veterinary care immediately. Choking and obstructions. As Great Dane parents, it is crucial to be vigilant about potential choking hazards. Great Danes have a tendency to gulp food quickly, increasing the risk of choking. In the event of choking, first, check if your dog can cough or make any noise. If not, perform the Heimlich maneuver by standing behind your dog, placing your hands just below their rib cage, and applying gentle upward pressure. If the object causing the obstruction is visible, and can safely be removed with tweezers, do so carefully. Otherwise, seek immediate veterinary attention. Poisoning. Great Danes are highly curious creatures, and their size can make them more susceptible to ingesting harmful substances. If you suspect your Great Dane has ingested something toxic, contact your veterinarian immediately. They will provide guidance on what steps to take based on the ingested substance. It is crucial to have essential information such as the substance's name, quantity, and the time it was consumed, as this will aid in proper treatment. Heatstroke. Great Danes are more prone to heatstroke due to their short muzzles and dense body structure. Avoid exposing your pet to high temperatures for prolonged periods of time, and never leave them in a parked car. Signs of heatstroke include excessive panting, drooling, weakness, and collapse. If you suspect heatstroke, move your dog to a cooler area, apply cool, not cold, water to their body, and seek immediate veterinary care. CPR for Great Danes. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, can be a life-saving technique in emergencies. If your Great Dane's heart has stopped beating and they are unresponsive, you can begin CPR. To do chest compressions, lay your dog on their side on a flat surface, and place both hands over the widest part of the chest. Push down firmly, allowing the chest to rise back to its normal position. Perform 100 to 120 compressions per minute. For artificial respiration, close your dog's mouth and breathe into their nostrils until the chest expands. Repeat the cycle in a ratio of 30 chest compressions to 2 breaths. Remember, CPR is only a temporary measure. Seek immediate veterinary attention to address the underlying cause. Conclusion. As responsible Great Dane parents, it is essential to equip ourselves with basic first aid knowledge. This understanding can make all the difference in ensuring our gentle giants are safe and sound during emergencies. Remember, first aid is not a substitute for professional veterinary care, but it can buy valuable time until medical attention is available. By being prepared and knowledgeable, we can provide the best care for our beloved Great Danes and give them a healthy and happy life.